Huge leafy plant, rubber plant. One of the must-have plants in your houseplant collection as a decorative plant. This is one of the beautiful leafy plants to decor your home. So let's start the video with decorative houseplants. Welcome back to Tamara's Garden. Today I will be sharing with you some of the houseplant which you can have in your home to decorate it. So let's start, and if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Tamara's Home Gardening and Ideas. If you love to decor your garden with beautiful decorative colorful plants, this beautiful Chinese evergreen aglaonema plant is for you. Have this plant from a friend of yours, or else you can buy it online, or else try to find it from a nursery, and these plants look absolutely beautiful and eye-catching. Put it in a small planter or in a bigger planter. This will decorate your home garden. I have it in a small planter. So now it's growing so well. Beautiful decorative house plant, prayer plant. There are many varieties and I have this one. Look at the colors. A beautiful suggestion for your house plants collection. Keep it in the shade if you're keeping it outdoors. This is one of the beautiful and decorative plants. Having colorful croton plants also decor your garden. They are in many varieties. Try to add them in your garden or else as an indoor plant. Varieties of Dracaena plants, they grow from stems and very easy to look after. You will have to see that they are in the partial to medium sunlight. So these are beautiful decorative leafy plants, and there are many varieties of Dracaena as well. This is another variety I have. They grow tall and looks amazing. Talking about decorative plants, have one or two umbrella plants in your home garden as house plants, or else you can put it in your outdoor garden. This is such a beautiful variegated leafy plant to decor your garden. If you have a couple of pandanus plants, you know that they are very low maintenance, permanent, and also very easy to look after. This is one of the plants that grow really very huge within no time. So have these pandanus plants also in your home garden, or else keep it indoors as an indoor plant. They are so decorative and also they are eye-catching. Another beautiful variety of prayer plant. They love the shade. Don't forget to put it in a shady corner. So this is beautiful outdoor plant. Not only that, this grows indoors as an indoor plant. Having a couple of Aralia plants also, very beautiful. Their leaves are so decorative, and this is one of the easy to grow plant. Bring a small plant from a nursery and put it in a bigger or a medium-sized planter. They love the humidity high and also moisture in the soil. Ficus triangula. This is another beautiful variegated leafy plant. They are also decorative and they look so amazing in your home garden as a house plant. So have this also in your garden, either as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Golden philodendron plants give a decorative look to your home garden. Keep it indoors as an indoor plant. Keep it in a shady corner. And this is also one of the decorative plants. These are beautiful plants to decor.